Sound is a powerful force. It surrounds us every day. It can influence our emotions and well-being. Certain frequencies have unique properties. Some frequencies can promote healing and harmony. One such frequency is 528 Hz. It's often called the love frequency. 528 Hz is believed to have a profound effect on our bodies and minds. This frequency resonates with the energy of love, joy, and transformation. It connects us to the healing power of nature and the universe. 528 Hz is one of 6 solfeggio frequencies. These ancient musical tones were used in Gregorian chants. They were thought to have spiritual and healing properties. These frequencies are said to correspond to different energy centers in the body. Each frequency has a unique vibration. Each vibration can help to balance and harmonize our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. The 528 Hz frequency is particularly powerful. It is associated with transformation and miracles. Some researchers believe it can even repair damaged DNA. Whether you are seeking emotional healing, spiritual growth, or simply a greater sense of peace, 528 Hz can be a valuable tool on your journey. Our bodies are not just physical forms, they are also complex energy systems. This energy flows through channels known as meridians. These meridians connect to spinning energy centers called chakras. There are 7 main chakras in the body. Each chakra governs specific emotional, spiritual, and physical aspects of our being. The solar plexus chakra is the 3rd chakra. It is located in the upper abdomen just below the rib cage. It is often considered our power center. This chakra is associated with our self-esteem, willpower, and personal power. It is the seat of our confidence, self-worth, and ability to manifest our desires. When the solar plexus chakra is balanced, we feel confident, empowered, and in control of our lives. We have a strong sense of purpose and are able to set healthy boundaries. This chakra allows us to shine our light brightly into the world. However, when the solar plexus chakra is blocked or imbalanced, we may experience a range of physical, emotional, and spiritual challenges. We might struggle with low self-esteem, lack of confidence, or difficulty making decisions. Digestive issues, fatigue, and a sense of powerlessness can also manifest. The 528 Hz frequency has a strong connection to the solar plexus chakra. This frequency can help to balance and harmonize this important energy center. When we listen to or meditate with 528 Hz, its vibrations resonate with the solar plexus chakra, stimulating its energy flow and promoting a sense of empowerment and confidence. 528 Hz acts like a tuning fork for the solar plexus. It helps to clear blockages and restore balance to this energy center. As we incorporate 528 Hz into our lives, we may notice a shift in our energy levels and overall well-being. Our confidence might increase and we may feel more capable of achieving our goals. This frequency helps us tap into our inner strength and power. It encourages us to embrace our authentic selves and shine our light brightly. 528 Hz reminds us that we are powerful beings capable of creating the life we desire. By working with the solar plexus chakra and the 528 Hz frequency, we can unlock our full potential and live a more joyful and fulfilling life. The use of sound for healing is an ancient practice. Cultures worldwide have recognized the power of sound to heal the body, mind, and spirit. Sound healing works on the principle of resonance. Everything in the universe vibrates at a particular frequency. Our bodies are no exception. When we're exposed to sound frequencies that are in harmony with our own, it creates a state of resonance. This resonance can help to restore balance and harmony within our bodies, promoting healing and well-being. 528 Hz is a particularly powerful frequency for healing. It is associated with transformation, miracles, and even DNA repair. This frequency is believed to have the ability to penetrate deep into our cells, stimulating healing and regeneration. While scientific research on the specific healing properties of 528 Hz is ongoing, many people have reported experiencing a wide range of benefits from listening to and meditating with this frequency, including reduced stress and anxiety, improved sleep, enhanced creativity, and a greater sense of peace and well-being.